Hey everyone, I'm Cody Smith with CAMaster, and today I'm excited to show you the powerhouse of our CNC lineup, the Elite series. If you're after maximum performance, speed, and versatility, this is the machine you've been looking for. The Elite is built on a fully industrial-grade steel frame with rigid gantry and side assemblies. That means zero flex, zero compromise, even during the most demanding operations. It comes standard with a 12 horsepower, HSD air-cooled spindle, and a 10-position linear tool rack, complete with cones, holders, and ER32 collets. That's serious cutting power with fast tool changes for a high-mix production environment. Helical rack and pinion on the X and Y, 25mm THK precision rails and bearings, and digital AC servos with planetary gearboxes on every axis. This system delivers elite-level precision and reliability. You're working with one of the fastest machines in its class, up to 2,500 inches per minute rapid speeds. The Smart Core digital controller keeps everything connected and responsive. And for material handling, you get indexable pop-up locating pins and a 6-zone phenolic vacuum table for easy material loading and unloading. And unlike most of the machines on the market, every Elite series includes 2 full days of on-site training. We walk you through everything from setup and operation to maintenance and best practices. Yes, specs matter, but so does who you're buying from. Our Elite series isn't just a machine, it's a partnership. Built and supported right here in Cartersville, Georgia, backed by lifetime tech support and a full 2-year warranty. No offshore guesswork here, just real support from real people who build these machines every day. So if you're ready to upgrade to the ultimate production CNC router, the CAMaster Elite series is ready to lead the charge. Thanks for watching. Visit cammaster.com to learn more or request a quote.